Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the big Gugats has been fixed. As you can see, you're not supposed to see daylight through the oil pan. A big ass hole right there. So, what we had to do, let's get the light on. We had to disconnect some engine mounts on both sides. We had to disconnect the connector here. We had to loosen up this harness, which I still have to install back. And then we removed and replaced the entire oil pan. So now we have oil in the vehicle. We're going to crank it so it builds up oil pressure, and then we're going to start it. Very good. Alright, here we are back up top, and what we did was we supported the engine by putting a cross member from shock tower to shock tower, attaching it right here and lifting the engine about an inch or so. Now we have all of our 4 coils disconnected, and we're going to crank the engine over to build oil pressure. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. We have built some oil pressure. Coil packs are all connected. Grounds are connected. Let's hope it goes. Let's hope there's no damage. Contact. All right. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. The engine started right up with minimal issues. It gave a little rapping, but now it's just cold start. You gotta let it run, let it warm up, check for a proper oil level, and then the vehicle is gonna go to detail for a heavy cleaning underneath. But we did find something very special underneath the car besides all the oil. And when we take it back up top, I'll show you what it is. Oh, look. It's even idling down right now. It's sounding good. Very good, very good. So now that we got the vehicle up top, we found a freaking nest under here. Everything's coated in oil, but you know what? It's gonna get cleaned. It's gonna get cleaned. No leaks found. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Brand new oil pan, holding in the oil. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.